Before starting this video, a small message for you. Please stay indoors, wear a mask and maintain social distance in public places to avoid the COVID-19 virus. Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this video, we are going to create a color deduction project using OpenCV in Python. We already did some projects on the OpenCV package. I think you all know about this package, and if you are directly coming to this video without any OpenCV experiences, then please watch the previous OpenCV project videos that I made. It will help you to understand something about the OpenCV. Okay. And the second package is the color thief package. The color thief is a simple Python library that helps to detect the color of any image. Using these two libraries, we are going to detect the real-time colors that are around in my circle. I already made a video about the color thief package library. If you want an introduction about the package, then check out this video. I will provide the link in the description of this video. Okay, so that's all about this introduction part. Before getting to this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. These things will motivate me to produce more good content in Python programming. So let's start this video. So I forgot one thing. So many guys are asking the doubts about Python. That is a very good thing. But please message your doubts on Twitter. I get so many messages on Instagram, but I'm not highly active on the Instagram page. If you want the instant replies, then ping me on Twitter. Definitely you will get the correct and instant replies for your doubts. Okay. Generally, the humans can understand the color of an image by seeing it. In order to automate that process, we are going to create a simple application that will help to identify the colors in the real-time process. Normally, the machines can understand the colors by their codes. Colors are made up of three primary colors: red, green and blue. In computers, we define the color value within a range of 0 to 255. So in how many ways we can define a color? The answer is 256 cube. So when you solve this, there are approximately 16.5 million different ways to represent a color. So this is a quick interesting fact about the colors. If you like this fact, smash the like button. So let's move to the script. First, you need to install some libraries to perform this script, and open your CMD and type pip install OpenCV to install the OpenCV package. And the next one is the color thief library. So for color thief, you need to follow the same command pip install color thief to install the color thief package on your system. After that, open your IDE and import CV2 and color thief library. And then declare a variable called a camera, and in this variable you need to type cv2.videoCapture. Actually this is an instance, and in this instance you need to pass the parameter 0 to access the webcam stream. First you need to understand the program logic. The program logic is, first this program opens your webcam and it captures the webcam image, and then it will save the image file as any format. After that, the color thief library is used to get the colors that are present in the captured image file. Okay, so this is the program logic. Next you need to declare a while loop, and in this loop you have to declare a variable called image, and in this variable you need to call the camera.read object. So this object is used to read the webcam continuously, and then call the cv2.imageShow object. So this object will show the webcam video on your Windows screen. Okay, now we are going to capture the screen. For that process, you need to assign some key to capture the screen of your video stream. Here I am assigning the condition like, if I press the key yes, then it will capture the webcam video as an image. Okay, so this process simply works like the camera app. Okay, so after this process we are going to save the image file. Okay, for that process, call cv2.imageWrite. This object is used to save the captured image in JPG format. Suppose if you want to save the image in the PNG format, then you need to change the extension of the image. Okay, So we finished the first part of the program. Now create a function called as ss, and in this function we need to create a variable called as color thief, and in this variable you need to call the color thief instance and pass your captured image. Here my image is named as test.jpg, so I pass the image as a parameter in this object. Okay, and then create a variable colors. In this variable you need to call the object getPalette. In this object you need to pass one object called color count. Basically this parameter explains if you want to predict multiple number of colors in your image, then you have to mention the color count. So this is the explanation about this parameter. If you want the clear explanation, please check out this video. I already gave a detailed explanation about the color thief package. Okay, so this will help you to understand the color thief package more clearly. So coming back to the script, so in this parameter you need to mention your color count. So this is the explanation about this parameter, and the final step is you need to print the colors. Okay, so that's all about this code, and let's run this program. So after run this script, you will get the color codes in your image. So this program output is in the array format. This program output is in the array format of data. So if you give the two elements in the color count parameter, then it will print the 3 color codes. Okay, if you want to know which colors these numbers are represent, then you need to go to this website and type the color codes. This website show you the exact color names that are present in the image. Okay, so that's all about this video. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe and share for more interesting scripts in Python. Thanks for watching and thank you. See you on next video.